Can I ask you what you're doing?
I'm just recording the vlog.
You're just a vlog?
Yeah. Am I disturbing anything? I hope that's not the case. What's up, y'all? Listen, I know the quality might be ass. Depends on how good the quality looks when I'm editing, because it's extremely dark in here. Well, where I'm driving, but currently I am driving to Roman Atwood's laundromat. So I'm almost there. I got probably like 10 minutes or so. I was like, my friend Andrew was like, yo bro, where you at right now? In Columbus is close to where this dude Roman, it's close to where Roman has his laundromat. So I'm like, okay, word, we could, you know what I'm saying, drive over there. He was emphasizing for me to go over there when it's darker because the Christmas lights they got put up or whatnot. So we're about to go over there right now. I don't know what to expect. We might see Roman there. I don't know. I know Andrew's a huge fan of him. I've known Roman for a while. I never really watched too much of his videos, to be honest, but I respect him as a YouTuber. Deadass. I know he make family content, all this stuff. Cool. Never had no issues with Roman. So I'm just going to see what the vibes is. Right now, I think I got 17 minutes. Sheesh. I got 17 minutes till I get there, so it's just gonna be me and y'all yapping. Well, mostly me yapping to y'all. Alright, so let me see what the speed limit is here. 60. I know there'll be cops laying around here. I was told there's cops usually around here, so I don't want to speed too much and get pulled over. Why'd I say pulled like that? Get pulled over and then it will ruin my night. Meanwhile, this guy right behind me kind of trying to ride my ass.
Oh, pause.
I swear, y'all, if I had a flame tune, that shit going on right now. You better keep your distance, nigga. You better keep that distance or you're gonna get flamed. Facts.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
That's nice over there. That's cool as hell. What is that? New River Electrical? I don't know what that is, but that's cool. That's very cool over there. I don't know what that is, but that building is it just lit up the whole area. It's just great vibes, man. But yeah, earlier today I was also recording another video of me washing the car, detailing the car, I guess you can say, washing it, showing you what you should do when washing your car, getting every nook and cranny. Make sure you watch that video. If it's not up by now, it should be up before this one, but if it's not up by now, it will be up. You know, make sure you go ahead after you finish this video. If you haven't watched it, go and watch that video as well, because that video is jokes. It's not a POV, so I want it to be more entertaining and whatnot. Hopefully you guys are entertained with that video. It was great vibes. I felt like it took me forever because I had to set up the camera and wash, and everybody was washing their car today because it was warm outside. And yeah, I don't know what it's telling me to do. I was supposed to turn right. That's tough.
In 1 mile, take a slight right turn to merge onto State Route 16 east toward Newark.
Okay, Siri. I'm listening to you, sweetheart. Siri really just popped up on my watch. That's crazy. But yeah, man. Oh, that's deer right there. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy they did not jump out. Oh my gosh, I need to be careful over here because deer will just jump out. I'm happy they were actually smart for once and decided to just wait there. You guys probably didn't see it, but I saw them in peripheral. There was 2 of them. 2 little shitheads.
Sweet cheese.
Me, I don't know about y'all, but I've had a bad encounter with deer before, and it was very upsetting because it dented my car and a whole bunch of other stuff. Before I got my carbon fiber fenders, and I had to get a whole nother.
Merge onto State Route 16 east toward Newark.
I had to get my fenders all fixed. Is this right here? Damn. Whatever that was, just hit the fuck out of my windscreen. Alright, we're going on something that looks like a highway. I never drove down this way before at all, so.
Stay 2 lanes. In 4 miles, take the exit onto Church Street.
I'm gonna be careful over here because the cops be sitting. I don't want to get pulled over, y'all. Always drive the speed limit, y'all. Be a safe driver. Always be aware of your surroundings when you're driving. Don't make too crazy cuts between lanes and things like that while you're driving, because especially if you're not aware of your surroundings, because people don't know how to drive, and you not focusing on your surrounding could cause a wreck and ruin someone else's day. Okay, so be sure to be aware of your surroundings. All right, that's my advice to y'all. Hopefully y'all listen to me. I wouldn't say I'm the best driver in the world, but I try to be, when I'm not annoyed or anything, I try to be a great driver when people don't piss me off, because people be doing some stuff that really be pissing me off while I'm driving, and it takes a lot of willpower. I know y'all know, because it takes a lot of willpower to just, you feel me, keep it pushing. For real though. I'm gonna go over to the right lane since I'm not passing nobody. That's another thing for y'all to know. If you're not passing anybody, there's no need for you to be in the left lane, okay? That's something people don't seem to understand. When they're not, if you're not passing anybody, why the fuck are you in the left lane just clogging up space and driving slow? That just never made sense to me, dude. It never did, bro. It never, ever, 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 ever made sense to me. I really only use the left lane when I'm passing.
Onto Church Street.
2 miles. Alright. There we go. Hopefully it's a little bit lit over here so y'all can see somewhat a little bit better. But hey man, y'all listen, minivan, a Honda minivan, not minivan, but it's a van. Let me ask y'all this question, all right? I think I've asked this question before in a POV a very long time ago. So for all my black folks that are watching, let's say someone came up to you like me and was like, and I asked, for you to pick cotton again, what would be your price per hour? What would your price be? And be a realistic price as well. Don't say no bull crap. Don't say no bullcrap saying like $1 million an hour or anything like that. Be realistic. If someone asks you to pick cotton, how much would you charge an hour?
Use them to take the exit onto Church Street.
Me personally, I might charge $150 an hour. That's not that bad. Work 8 hours. 8 hours.
Today, Junior.
8 hours a day. That's like a little over $800 a fucking day.
Use the right lane to turn onto West Church Street.
Stacking, bro. What lane? I'm in the right lane. Yeah. I don't know where I'm at, y'all. So hold on. I have to lock in for a second. Listening to Siri and driving. Are we close?
Turn right.
We're 4 minutes away, y'all. We're 4 minutes away. But let me know in the comments down below if you made it this far, how much you would charge an hour. If you're, of course, if you're black. Not if you're white, you might as well not respond. But you know what I'm saying? Like, if you're black, how much will you charge per hour to pick some cotton, nigga?
At the left, turn right onto North.
Maybe I'm tweaking. Street. I should charge $200 an hour. I think I'm tweaking. 200 would be better. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. And I know, yeah, I need to fix my fast blinking. on my car.
Turn right.
I just haven't gotten to it. Been slacking a lot. I've never been this part of Ohio before, bro. I have no clue where I am. I should have carried my blade. What am I doing, bro? It's late at night in uncharted territories, and I'm over here moving like a dummy. Oh snap! But yeah. Oh snap! I'm dodging potholes left and right. I really don't want to hit a pothole, bro. For y'all that don't know, for y'all that probably just don't do it, please dodge old potholes, bro. Because if you hit a pothole, there's a chance you can pop your tire, dent your rim, and then your whole rim and tire is fucked. Please dodge the potholes, because that be killing me, bro. I be seeing people just run through potholes and don't care. I'm like, it made me cringe. I'm like, ugh. Like, dude, what are you doing, dude? What are you doing, pal? You should have dodged it. I've hit potholes before, and I think over time it did mess up with my rim. My old rims I had on this car, and I ended up having to get new rims on the car. But yes, moral of the story: dodge the potholes, man. Dodge potholes. Fuck you going on here? All right. All these bright ass lights in my face too. Sorry, y'all. My throat was itching.
What?
We're so close right now. We're like a minute away. Is this it right here?
Then take the first left.
This is it right here. Oh shit. We're here. This is the Smile More Laundromat. This is where Roman Atwood resides. One of his businesses. That's tough. Wow. This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. Smile More Laundry and Tanning. Tanning? You could tan in here? We made it there. I look black as hell. Oh my. The lighting is terrible. Smile More Laundry and Tanning. The beautiful G is outside in front of Roman Atwood's beautiful laundromat. I don't think he's here at all. I think he drives a G-Wagon or a small car or something else, I was told. He's not here, but the lighting is absolutely like crazy. Like, how much do you think he pays for these lights to be on? I think it's absolutely ridiculous, man. I think I'm gonna end up walking inside and just looking at some of the things and see if anybody's in there. Focus, please. Why are you having issues focusing on this sexy ass face? This beautiful ass face. This work of art.
Stop it.
But yeah, we're gonna walk on inside. Let me turn off the car for a second and walk myself inside real quick. Walk around. I could show some stuff. There's not gonna be much to do because like I said, he's not here. And I don't want to reside in this place too long before the cops get called on me, because I am a black fellow and they think I might rob the place. Get out there! That nigga is get out there! Hopefully they don't think that. Okay, so we're gonna go inside, we're gonna walk in. They have a Christmas tree right here. I'm gonna show you like a POV type of action as we're walking in. Alright, Roman Atwood touched this door, y'all. He touched this door. Oh my gosh. I think her name is Becky or whatever. She's stalking me. She thinks I'm gonna rob the place. I'm not. I'm just taking everything in. I'm just taking everything in. Dang, this is out of phone. I wanted to play this too. Is that Pokeballs in there too? Is that Pokeballs? What's in there? $1 per try. There's some winners over there. Preston, Ryan, Noah, Skylar. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's actually pretty cool. I don't know why my camera is acting up today. Why it doesn't want to focus or anything like that. It's been Usually it doesn't do that, but yeah, man, this is it. This is it right here. It's a nice place. Nice laundromat. Shirts. Might get a shirt. I ain't gonna lie, I might get a shirt. Look. I wear a medium, y'all, so I might get a shirt for $20. Hats are $10. The cups are also $20. Ooh, which one should I get? They have 4XLs. Damn.
Can I ask you what you're doing?
I'm just recording the vlog.
You're just a vlog?
Yeah. Am I disturbing anything? I hope that's not the case. I can leave if you want me to. I try not to disturb anything. They said I'm good right now. I think she's talking to Roman, actually. She ended up calling him. She saw me walking around a few times. I told you, bro. I'm a black man, and you know. I didn't want to show her on camera, but I think her name is Becky. I really do want to get something real quick. Alright, before I leave y'all, I'm about to get me some Sour Patch Kids. Alright, y'all, I ended up getting 2 Sour Patch Kids. The vending machine was a little bit but I ended up getting 2 because one got stuck and I wanted the Sour Patch Kid. So I got 2 of these. My camera's about to die any second now, so I'm about to call that a video. I didn't get to see Roman, sadly, and the lady, I think her name was Becky. She felt some type of way, I guess, from a black man being around, so I didn't want to obstruct the peace. I asked her if she wanted me to leave. She said, no, I'm good. So I guess whoever she was on the phone with said it's okay. I'm assuming it was Roman. So I just didn't want her to feel uncomfortable anymore. That loud ass trucks. And my camera's about to die any second now, so appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff.
Shut up, bitch.
I don't really care about nada. Young nigga poppin' a collar. She can be burn like a scholar. I shoot it up, but I won't be a father. Had a hoe poppin' a pill. She see me poppin' a pill. Shit like you know that addiction is real. Don't give a fuck, I just like how it